Isifundazwe sithi asiwutholanga 5.3 billion rands ebesiucele uhulumeni ngazwelonke. Le mali ibizosetshenziswa ukulungisa ingqalazinda eyakhahlemezwa yizikhukhula nokulekelela izisulu. Ukulungiswa komgwaqo yalimala kubalelwa ngaphezulu ka5 billion wamarandi. Lapha kubalwa amapayipi alimala namabloho aguguleka. Isifundazwe sithi sithole 1.1 billion ovela kuzwelonke mase bawuhlanganisa no3.1 billion ebekuhloswe eminye imisebenzi esifundazwe ngawo.
These funds are to provide support for the care and protection of the flood victims placed in shelters. The funds are for formula and disposable nappies, for infant meals for victims in shelters, and to pay shelter-based social workers and social work supervisors, as well as the system used by the shelter to track the progress of the victims within the shelters.
Kulo 4.2 billion kubalwa no 10.3 million owanikela ngosomabhizinisi nezakhamuzi.
Vote 5 education will receive an additional to the education infrastructure grant, and an amount of 95.1 million is allocated for the construction and rehabilitation of schools damaged by the flood. Vote 12, which is transport, receive 589.3 million towards provincial roads maintenance grant for the repair of the provincial roads damaged by floods.
Uhulumeni uthi uzoyiqapha ngelokhozi lemali ukuthi yenza lokho okuhlosiwe ngayo. Bongani Gema, Indaba ze SABC eThekwini.